Ho, ho, ho! Happy Christmas from Action Clean. I recently was in Dublin and got my sleigh cleaned by this wonderful family-run business who were established over 30 years ago and specialize in exterior and interior restoration and cleaning. I know their expertise is really in windows, carpets, brick and marble, but my little elves told me no job was too tough for Peter, their boss in charge. So I dropped into Dublin to get the reindeer sleigh ready for this coming Christmas. May I add that Action Clean work with commercial and domestic clients across Dublin, and they would be happy to assess your property and provide a free quote for whatever cleaning service you require. Anyway, must be off. Lots of work for the elves to do in my new gleaming reindeer sleigh. Bye-bye, or as they say in Dublin, Slan Lat. Ho, ho!